The harvest season is on and festivities have gripped the nation from north to down south. The festival of Makar Sankranti is being celebrated today when the sun enters the Makar zodiac and the days begin to lengthen as compared to nights. Worshipping the sun, charity and taking a dip in rivers have special significance on this day. Devotees take a holy dip in Varanasi. Devotees took a holy dip in HARIDWAR. The famed Ganga Sagar Mela began today with people taking a holy dip there. Ganga Sagar is the place where river Ganga meets the sea in Sundarbans in West Bengal. The occasion also sees people streaming out of their homes into fields and onto rooftops to fly kites in North and West India. In South India and particularly in Tamil Nadu, it is the festival of Pongal which is being celebrated over 4 days at the harvest time. Pongal Day is considered very auspicious and there are different rituals associated with it, varying from region to region. In Assam and many parts of northeast, the festival of Bhogali Bihu is celebrated. It sees the first harvest of the season being offered to the gods along with prayers for peace and prosperity. People in Assam celebrate this festival wearing colourful and bright clothes. People also make sesame and coconut sweets at home and share with each other. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today extended greetings to everyone celebrating various auspicious festivals. In a tweet, Prime Minister said that these festivals celebrated across India add great colour and happiness in our lives, and this diversity is India's greatest strength. May these festivals bring abundance of happiness and prosperity in the lives of our hard-working farmers.